Ako utong sa balte.
Nakang jacket na.
Okay. Okay, Talik, do you want to say goodbye here? Was somebody crying because of Talik?
Bye. Mabalik tagma.
I thought I saw somebody going, Talik, please. Talik. Talik.
Somebody's crying ka na ba?
Have a safe journey home, sir. That's our electrician has been to check out. Somebody's going to kill me. Talik, please. You can still say goodbye, honey. Talik.
Bye-bye.
I don't know. Love is not the same anymore. So, as usual, we bought too much materials. We did manage to find a Japanese made, in fact it's made under the umbrella of Honda, and that's it there. I fear that this will be noisy. We put it onto this because it's on what was an existing concrete base. Not complete, but what the heck, it's not a living thing, is it? So we've had it checked, and there was no damage to really to the inside of the guest house, so we're okay. And as far as the way that it's done in the Philippines, there we are. They've checked Nana's house and they've replaced all of the fittings that even looked like they might be damaged. They've replaced them, so that's good. So now we've got full electrics, and we've also got the pump. The pump is wired up. Hey! The pump is wired up, and we'll be able to have water as soon as we get the barrels and as soon as we can kill some of these dogs. So that's a short video, and I'll end off now with a goodbye to love from Talik. No, I don't think I recorded any of that. Talik, please. Shut up, you stupid dogs.